All right, last wheel on this X5. This one's just here to here. So I'm going to grind out this damage with the red conditioning disc, and we'll sand it up and paint it. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links below in the description for the tools and products I use. I'm going to start grinding on this one. And then we're going to sand that up with the 320 grit. When you have damage up in here between the top of the wheel and the tire, you're going to end up with a little flat spot. Trying to sand that out and round it though, it just does that to your sandpaper, so you can't get that perfect. So let's go ahead and scuff this with the 1500 grit scuff pad. Clean the dust off the wheel. All right, and we're going with the medium silver again. Since this is it's a machined wheel, but it has a fair amount of flake in the inset. So we're going with the medium silver rather than the fine silver. Both of those are linked in the description below. You could still use fine silver on this, because you're not getting a lot of paint here in the inset, but just a little bit. But the medium does match that better. All right, and then we cover that with clear coat. All right, that's the last wheel here. I'm going to head over to the next dealership, see if they have any wheels, and we'll see if any of them are worth making a video about.